Good afternoon, everyone. Illustration 14. Okay, 14 is a very important illustration. I'm solving it in the class entirely. All of you take out your notebooks and solve it again along with me. Out of 300 persons, okay, out of 300 persons residing in a region, a sample of 30 persons is selected at random and heights in centimeter of these selected persons are as under. So, very first of all, Aditi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What is the variable and frequency in this? Out of 300 persons residing in a region, a sample of 30 persons is selected at random, and the height in centimeters of these persons are selected as under. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
will persons vary from height to height, or will height vary from person to person?
Height will vary from person to person.
So what is the variable?
Height.
Height, mark it as xi, everyone, and 30 persons is frequency. Aditi, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aditi, which is the lowest observation in the entire data?
141.
See it carefully, okay? 141. And what is the highest?
168.
Yes, 168. Okay. Now, first question, distribute these data into 6 classes. Aditi, what is 6 classes denoted as? Number of classes are denoted as K. Okay.
Okay.
And also find the mid value of each class. Let's answer the first question. Write it down. First question. Aditi, how will we find the range?
By 168 minus 141.
Everyone must be writing 168 minus 141. So 27 is it? All of you doing the calculators. Aditi, how will we find the class length? What was the formula of finding C?
R upon K.
R upon K. So what is R?
27.
Upon K?
6.
6 classes. All of you can see 6 classes. K is equal to 6. What is 27 divided by 6? 4.5?
4.5.
Now what did I tell you? Round off to a higher number. So you'll take which value as class length if it is 4.5?
5.
Very good. Mute yourself. Fantastic. Now, if class length is 5, Archie, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me 141 will belong to which class?
From 140 to 145.
140 to 145. And 168 will belong to which class?
165 to 170.
So we will make the frequency distribution starting from 140 to 145 till 165 to 170. All of you give the heading. First answer, continuous frequency distribution. Continuous frequency distribution. I hope everyone is writing it. Mukti, is everyone writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 3 columns you will make here. One is classes. Second is telemarks. And third is frequency. In classes, just mention below that. What is the classes here indicating which variable? Height in centimeters. Height in centimeters. And what does the variable indicate here? That also you mention. Frequency, what does indicate? That also you mention it. Number of persons. Okay. So all of you write down the height as we discussed, starting from 140 to 145 till 165 to 170. So write down 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, and last one 165 to 170, up till 165 to 170. Okay. Now be attentive, everyone. Telemarks. Since the observations are big, keep your fingers and read one at a time. So 163. Okay, 163 will fall between 160 to 165. Everyone do the tally marks. 148 will fall between 145 to 150. 151 between 150 to 155. 162 between 160 to 165. 145 between 145 to 150. Be careful. 145, don't write in 140 to 145. 145 will belong in 145 to 150. Okay. Then 150 to 150 to 155. Then 149, 145 to 150. Then 158, 155 to 160. Then 153, 150 to 155. Then 149, 145 to 150. Then 150, 150, 150. All of you unmute yourselves. 150, where will it come?
150 to 150
to 155.
50 to 155.
50 to 155.
Brilliant, genius everyone, brilliant. 150 to 155. Then 152, 150 to 155. Then 145. All of you, 145.
145 to
155 to 160.
145
to 150.
Okay, not 140 to 145. 145 to 150. Very good. Then after 145, 141, 140 to 145. Then 162, 160 to 165. Then 168, 165 to 170. Then 148, 145 to 150. Then 158, 155 to 160. Then 149, 145 to 150. Then 141, 140 to 145. Now last row, 146, 145 to 150. 155, 155, 155, 155.
155 to 160.
155 to 160.
Okay, 155 to 160. Then 159, 155 to 160. Then 150, 150,
150 to 155.
55.
150 to 155. 150 to 155. Then 161, 160 to 165. Then after 161, 153, 150 to 155. Then 162, 160 to 165. Then 160. Now I am not unmuting you. You all know 160 to 165. 154, 150 to 155. And 165, 165 to 170. Okay. So 2, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 4, 5 plus 1, 6. And 2. Total 2, 10, 18, 22, 28, 30. Total sigma Fi is equal to 30. Okay. Now, you are asked in the question to find mid values also. Okay. If you read the question carefully, it was asked. Also find the mid values of each class. So mid value is to be obtained. Here itself, all of you can make one more heading as mid value after frequencies. Mid values will be denoted as xi. Mid values will be denoted as xi. So first of all, for mid value. Tanisha, what is the formula for mid value?
Yes, sir. Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2.
Lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So Tanisha, can you tell me for first class how will you find the mid value? 140 to 145?
140 minus 145.
By minus
Oh, sorry.
plus 140 plus 145 divided by 2. Do it in calculator and tell me. 142.5.
142.5.
Now all of you listen carefully. Trick, shortcut method. Everyone listen carefully, the trick and shortcut method. Don't find the other mid values. Tanisha, what is the class length?
5.
Keep on adding 5. What is 142.5 plus 5?
147.5.
Plus 5?
152.5.
Plus 5?
162.5.
157.5.
157.5.
Plus 5, 162.5 plus 5, 167.5. Okay, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
All of you have the calculators with you? Show thumbs up if you have the calculators. Now see, in calculator there is a trick of doing this plus 5. Every time you don't have to do plus 5. All of you do it as I am saying. Take out your calculators and do it as I am saying. Do 142.5. Press plus 2 times. Press plus 2 times. 5 equal to. Do you all get 147.5? Now directly press equal to. Do you all get 152.5? Press equal to again. Do you all get 157.5? Press equal to again. Do you all get 162.5? And last one more time. 167.5. Do it once again. Do it. 142.5 plus 2 times plus 5 equal to. Then keep on pressing equal to. You'll get all the other answers. Okay, this one is over. Now second. What is asked in the second question? Obtain less than type cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, obtain less than type cumulative frequency distribution. All of you write down less than equal to height. Less than equal to height and CFI. So, Varun, Saji, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Varun, tell me what all boundary points will I write in this less than equal to height?
40 to 140.
No, only 140. What did I tell you yesterday? Write 140, 145, all up till 170. So less than equal to now we are obtaining. So less than 140, then 145. Tell me the next one.
150.
Then
155. 160.
then
85.
then
20.
then
175.
no, last 170. That's it. So starting from 140, write all the boundary points up till 170. Okay. Now less than type cumulative frequency, Varun. So tell me how will you add top to bottom, bottom to top? Varun.
Top to
How will you
bottom.
add top to bottom, bottom to top?
Top to bottom.
Top to bottom. First one you'll take 0. You don't remember the rules?
Yes.
Tell me, is there the two persons are having height between 140 to 145? Okay, Varun.
Yes, sir.
Is there any person having height less than 140?
No.
So 0. First one will be 0. And one more thing, all of you make a mention. Don't use the sign of equal to. In less than, we will not use the sign of equal to. Okay, simply less than. Will not use the sign of equal to. Now you add from top to bottom. So 2, then 2 plus 8, then 2 plus 8 plus 8. All of you do it on your own. Okay, check your answers. Then 2 plus 8 plus 8, 18. Then 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4, that is 22. Then 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is 28. And then 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is 30. So all of you must be able to get these answers. Okay. Second question is done. Now, what is the third question asked to you? What is the percentage of persons having height less than 155 centimeter? Okay, all of you underline this. What is the percentage of persons having height less than 155 centimeter? First of all, what are the number of persons? All of you write down number of persons having height. First, tell me what are the number of persons having height less than 155 centimeter. Now, all of you listen carefully. The question asks number of persons having height less than 155 centimeter. Less than 155 centimeter. 18 people are having the height. Direct answer you get from second question. Now, we are not asked number of persons. We are asked percentage. How will you convert this in percentage? Neville, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Neville, tell me. How will you convert it in percentage?
18 into 100 divided by 30.
Yes, total there are 30 persons. So 18 divided by 30 into 100. 60%. Don't forget to write percent. Okay, 18 divided by 30 into 100. So in percentage, how many percentage of persons are having less than 155 centimeter at 60%? How did we get this? 30. Total number of persons are 30. So 18 out of 30 persons means out of 100, how many? 18 upon 30 into 100. Now do in calculator as I am saying 18. All of you do it in calculator as I am saying 18 divide by 30. And then do you find the key of percentage? Directly press that. No need to do into 100. Do 18 divide by 30 and then directly press the key of percentage. Do you all get 60 or not? Okay,
Yes.
18 divide by 30 and then directly press the key of percentage. Percentage key is already there. So you'll automatically get 60% answer. Okay, so everyone is clear with this? Let's take up the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Obtain more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Do it on your own. More than means this answer will remain same in the fourth one. More than equal to. The only difference is instead of here we have not written equal to, here you'll write the sign of equal to. Same 140 to 170. All of you write again. Now you will add from top to bottom or bottom to top?
Bottom to top.
Bottom to
Bottom
top.
to
Start
top.
adding from 2, this bottom. But what will you take last CFI?
0.
0. There is no person having height more than 170. So last one 0. Now add from bottom to top. 2. Then 6 plus 2, 8.
8.
Add from bottom to top. All of you complete it on your own. Everyone complete it on your own. Okay. Everyone has finished. Check your answers. Adding from bottom to top. So as I said, 6 plus 2, 8. Then 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is 12. Then 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is 20. Then 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is 28. And then 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2, that is 30. Okay. Now fifth answer is very important, for which I have solved this entire question. Very, very important. Fifth question is very, 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 very important. Okay. All of you mark it as very important. How many persons have height between 147 and 157 centimeter? Now the problem is 147 is not there only. 157 is not there only. But Dhruv Upadhyay, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
147 will belong to which class?
145 and 150.
And 157, that is the next observation, will belong to which class?
155 to 160.
Okay. So we have to take these classes.
Yes.
45 onwards till 160. Every one of you write down this. Classes 145 to 150. Leave 3 lines. Leave 3 lines. 1
3 lines.
to
1, 2, 3. 1.
Write 155 to 160. Now, Ayushi Patel, unmute yourself.
8.
8. How many persons are there? 8. Frequency means number of persons. Then tell me what is the frequency of 150 to 155?
150 to 155. 8.
8. And 155 to 160?
155 to 164.
155 to 160 is 4.
4.
All of you have noted down this? Now we require from, our answer required is from 147 to 157. So do we need from 145 to 150 or we need from 147 to 150? We actually require from 147 to 150. We are having from 145 to 150, but we require from 147 to 150. Now how will we find it? Between 145 to 150, the class length is 5. Then its frequency is 8. Between 147 to, this is I'm talking about 145 to 150's class length is 5. And its frequency is 8. Now what we require is 147 to 150. The class length is 3. 147 to 150, the class length is 3. So what will be the number of persons in that 3 class length? 3 into 8 by 5. 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by 5 means 4.8. 4.8 persons are not possible, but presently write 4.8. Final answer we will round off. I repeat it again, it's a very important point. Be attentive, everyone. I repeat it again. Between 145 to 50, there are 8 persons. Between 145 to 50, when the class length is 5, there are 8 persons belonging to that class. But we require the answer from 147 to 157. So we don't require from 145 to 150. We require from 147 to 150. Because we don't have to start from 145. We have to start from 147. Now 147 to 150, when the class length is 3, then how many persons will belong to that category? Cross multiply 3 into 8 divided by 5, that is 4.8. Devansh, 145 to 50 मतलब 5 ऑब्जर्वेशन इसके बीच में आ सकती है देवांश?
Yes, sir.
145 to 50 के बीच में 5 ऑब्जर्वेशंस आ सकती है?
हाँ.
जब 5 ऑब्जर्वेशंस आती थी तब 8 पर्सन्स थे, 8 पर्सन्स थे. ठीक है, मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ 145 to 150 के बीच में 5 ऑब्जर्वेशंस आ सकती है, राइट? When 5 observations fall between 145 to 150, there are 8 persons. 145 to 150 की रेंज ज्यादा है तो there are 8 persons. जब रेंज कम हो जाएगी 147 to 150 तो people भी कम हो जाएंगे ना? Do you understand it?
Yes.
So 147 to 150 के बीच में रेंज कितनी है? Only 3 people can come in that. 3 observations can come in that.
Yes.
When 5 observations can come, there are 8 people. So when 3 observations can come, people will decrease. 3 into 8 divided by 5, only 4.8 people will come in that category. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next, 150 to 155, पूरा का पूरा ले लो 8. 150 to 155, take it entirely, that is 8. Because 150 to 155 comes in between 147 to 157. Now 157 तक चाहिए, and here it is 155 to 160, but we require only from 155 till 157. Our last value is 157. We require till 157 only. So here again we'll make this classification. What classification? Between 155 to 160, but we require from 155 to 157 only. Our ending point is 157. We don't need till 160, we need till 157. Now 150 to 157. Here again, when class length is 5, then there are 4 persons in that. 150 to 157 means we can have only 2 observations in that category. So how many people will fall? 2 into 4, 8. 8 divided by 5, 1.6. Now you add this. 4.8 plus 8, 12.8 plus 1.6, 14.4. 14.4 people are not possible. Are 14.4 people possible? No, 0.4% is not possible. So you will round it off. You'll round it off to what? 14 people. On an average, 14 people are possible. So why this problem arises in illustration 14? Because of 147 and 157. If it was 145 to 155, no problem. If it was 145 to 160, no problem. But they ask you between 147 and 157. Whereas in the question, we have, Ria has asked a question, can't we take 15 instead of 14.4 instead of 14? Ria. Which Ria was it? Ria, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपके 15.5 मार्क्स आएंगे तो आप कितना बोलोगे?
राउंड फिगर हो गए 16.
मतलब 0.5 आएगा तो ही राउंड ऑफ करेंगे. ये 0.4 आया.
Okay, हाँ.
If it was 14.5, we would round it off to 15.
Okay.
If it is less than 0.5, then you keep the same number 14.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So all of you will solve this question, illustration 14 again, okay? 14, very important. Do repeat it 2 times if required. Okay, until you are clear. Okay, so let's wind up the today's session. Bye everyone.
Bye sir.
कल मिलते हैं.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
sir.
Bye,
Bye
sir.
sir. Bye sir. Subscribe करना, like करना.
हम पढ़ेंगे करके.
Bye.
Bye sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye sir. Like कर दे.